I have always been curious about how turning the steering wheel can turn the car. The principle is quite simple, and the key lies in the steering rack. When the steering wheel is turned, the steering shaft transfers this force to the steering rack, and the motion tie rod of the steering rack is displaced, thereby driving the steering arm to move and ultimately enabling the steering of the wheels. However, this structure makes the steering wheel very heavy to operate, so cars are equipped with power steering systems to make steering easier. It uses a brushless DC motor to drive the steering sensor, which senses the force and direction of our steering wheel turning in real time, and then transmits the information to the electronic control unit. This unit then controls the electric power, allowing us to easily turn the steering wheel. Nevertheless, when the car is turning, the turning degree of the left and right front wheels is usually different. If you observe carefully, you will find that the intersection of the left and right front wheels' paths will always be located on the rear wheel line, which makes the car more stable when turning. However, if the car has a serious collision, it may cause the wheel's alignment to change, thus affecting normal driving. At this time, you may have to consider performing a four-wheel alignment. Like and share the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel.